iPhone USB charger if it's acting up or going crazy. I'm just gonna, the most common problem with iPhone's chargers, especially the original ones, is they start telling your phone that it's not charging when you plug it in. And the most common thing you'll see is that little black mark on one of those prongs right there. And the thing you're gonna wanna do is get a razor blade. And let me zoom in here to show you guys what's happening. All right, you see that little black mark right there? You're gonna scrape that razor blade on this thing and just go like that. That one's not coming out because my blade is a little dull, but what you're gonna wanna do is just scuff it up. I had to actually pick at that spot. But normally you'll just do that and it will clean it if it's a new blade. Blade is old and rusty, so that didn't work. But anyways, you guys get the idea. So you'll do it to both sides, and it would be good anyways to scrape them all around like that and get all those little black marks off. But anyways, that's the most common problem right there. Next is if your cord starts to fraying, like mine is right here, you can pick these up on eBay. Let me zoom back out for you guys. You can pick these up on eBay. What it is shrink tube. So you can search shrink tube, iPhone charger. That way you'll get the correct size that's needed for these. So just type in USB, iPhone charger, shrink tube. So I'm gonna put this over this. And I used to put electrical tape around these, but even if I did that, it still started acting up after a while because it would bend. But check this out, this is perfect. Okay, so I got that on there. It was a little tough to scoot on, and I would never go to this extent to fix a damn charger, but everybody knows if you buy the cheap ones and they're not original, they ain't worth a crap. These things are great and they last forever. They're hard to get your hands on. Apple just doesn't distribute enough of them. So anyways, now you're gonna take a torch lighter. You could actually pick this stuff up from your local hardware store. Just ask for shrink tube. So now I'm gonna start shrinking this on there. And now my charger is probably as good as new, and I don't have to worry about it fraying right there because obviously you can't get your hands on these damn things, especially if they're original. You wanna save them like dear life. So anyways, hope this video helps you out. You see now it's as good as new, nice and solid, and it's not like electrical tape where it's gonna start peeling off or something like that, and it's actually gonna hold it. It's got a good bend to it, just like the original. So you want it good as new, that's what you gotta do. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. You could choose different colors too. You could see that. I think I paid like $1 for all these direct from China, but it took like a month to get there. But if you probably pick up like 10 of them, you'll have them in like a week. And that's still gonna be $1. So thanks for watching, give me that thumbs up.